Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Cross Handed Half Windmill. I recommend you already know how to do a half windmill and a Cross Handed Catapult, which is a easier version. Links to those clips in the description below, so it's easy for you to find them. And we'll jump straight in. So it looks like this: 5, 6, cross-handed half windmill. It's a back. 1, 2, prep, spin through, catch, return and back. So let's break it down. Starts off left to right, but we go semicircle back, offering the other hand, and once we're back we're going to let go with the left. So this is all about just getting to a right to left grip or a straight grip. If you got another version of getting to a straight grip you want to use, then use that, because that's all we were doing to get to that point. So guys, a little bit out of the way to the left, as if you were doing a standard half windmill. So this is just a half windmill in the other hand for the lady. So we sweep with the right, we're dropping it down, transfer to the left, we sweep with the left. The ending is different, so what's going to happen is we send the lady back. Guys, head back to the left, we go long with those arms, which means we're going to bring the lady forwards, taking the hand down and over to the left and letting go. So the lady spins through to the right. Guys, turn to the left as they cross sides, catching left to right or whichever hand you need next. Return to finish off and you are done. Let's do it from the other side and we'll talk numbers. So we go semicircle back, offer and release. 1, sweep with the right. 2, sweep with the left. 3, go long and prep. 4, spin past. 5, catching. 6, returning. 7 and back. 8. So let's do it together. Here we go. 5, 6, cross-handed half windmill. It's a back, sweep with the right, sweep with the left, preparation, spin through, catch with the left, return, and you're done. I hope that one works its way into your repertoire and turns out to be good for you. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking helps promote the move, hooray! Subscribing helps promote the channel, even bigger hooray! And hitting the notification bell means you'll get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss anything. Music recommendation on the end in the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video, along with some other things that the algorithm thinks you're going to like because you like this. Okay, as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.